Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a frustrating issue: how to fix Yahoo Mail login problems when Yahoo can't recognize the email. The first thing to do is double check the email address you're trying to log in with. Make sure there are no typos or errors. Next, ensure you're entering the correct password associated with your Yahoo account. Passwords are case sensitive, so check for correct capitalization. Sometimes Yahoo services may experience temporary outages. Check if Yahoo Mail is down by visiting a service status website or Yahoo's official social media channels. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve login issues caused by corrupted data. Go to your browser settings. Find the option to clear browsing data and select cookies and cache emails and files. Now, if clearing cache and cookies doesn't work, try logging in using a different web browser or different device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. If you're still unable to log in, reset your Yahoo password. Click on the Forgot Password link on the Yahoo login page and follow the prompts to reset it. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact Yahoo support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or help you regain access to your account. Dealing with Yahoo Mail login issues can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the problem. And that's all there is to it.